Welcome. In front of me is a BQ Aquaris V, and I'll show you how to block a number. So, block a number, open up dialer, and you will need to have the number. So, just gonna dial non-existing number. Okay. And from there, you'll see the number. You can just hold on it, your finger on it, and you'll get the pop-up. And here you have block number, report spam. And I'll just press on block number, and now whenever the number calls you, it will be automatically rejected. And depending on the phone, you either will just not get any kind of notification that the phone number tried to reach you, and it will just like it never happened, or you might sometimes get a notification depending on the device that the device blocked a certain number. Now if you want to unblock the number, you can just do the same thing. Hold it and press on unblock and do it, and now the phone number can reach you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.